Hey friends, if you're unable to install Google Chrome on Windows, then please watch this video. Now see, Google Chrome is an extremely light software, and if you're not able to install it, then the reason would not be that it is occupying a lot of space. So here's what you have to do: search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup and click on OK, and then select all of these options to remove any previous traces of Google Chrome on your system, and then click on delete files. Wait till it gets deleted. Okay, and once it is deleted, you can try installing it again. If it still does not help, then you can search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. In this state, you should definitely be able to install Google Chrome. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.